Let's work on today's technique. For more information, click on the link below. Welcome to GoodKnit Kisses. We're all about helping you stitch your love and love your stitches. Now I'm going to show you how to fix it. So I'm knitting to here, and then I say, oops, there's my oops. So I'm going to slip this stitch over to the opposite needle, and we're going to pick up this stitch here. It may be easier just to pick it up with the needle that I just slipped it to, and pick that wrap up, okay? And I slip it on to the other needle, and now I'm going to slip this stitch back over, and now I can pass it on top. Okay, I'm going to pass it over the stitch so it just falls off the needle and hangs at the back. It's a little bit of a back and forth gymnastics. If you need to use your finger to help you, these large stitches are fine, but if you were working with a smaller yarn, that's how you would do it. You can kind of just pass it back and forth and pick up using the points, the tips, because they're finer than just using your fingers. Thanks for joining us today, where we help you stitch your love and love your stitches. See you again soon.